Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today let's start with the new topic, that is genitourinary system from CPT surgery section. So in genitourinary system there is urinary system. The code range is 50010 to 53899, and male genital system 54000 to 55899, female genital system 56405 to 58999. In this video, we'll study guidelines related to these and also we'll check important codes. Let's start. Let us look at some medical terminologies used in genitourinary system. Dis means painful, bad, disordered or difficult. Exo means outside of or without. Seal means herniation or prolapse. Cysto is relating to the bladder. Hydro relating to fluid, water or hydrogen. Iasis, which means condition of. Then lith, which means calcification or stone. Nephro is relating to the kidney. Oma means tumor. Orchaio means relating to the testicles. Orapi is suturing. Osteo relating to the scrotum. Next, osis, which is condition or process. Pexi means fixation or suspension. Pylo is relating to renal pelvis. And vesico is relating to the urinary bladder. First, let's start with urinary system. So what is the function of urinary system? The excretion of metabolic waste along with fluid and electrolyte balance is the main function of this urinary system. So in urinary system, the key structures are the kidneys, left kidney and right kidney. Then there is ureters. This is the ureter, urinary bladder and urethra. So urine is formed in the kidneys, conveyed through ureters through the bladder for temporary storage and drained out of the body by the urethra. Let us check the codes for urinary system, that is kidney. Under that you have incision, excision, renal transplant, introduction. Then we have repair, laparoscopy, endoscopy and codes for other procedures. Next is ureter. So in that we have incision, excision, introduction, repair, laparoscopy, endoscopy. Then there is codes for bladder, incision, removal, excision, introduction, urodynamics, repair, laparoscopy, endoscopy. Then transurethral surgery codes. Then there is vesical, neck and prostate. And next is the codes for urethra, incision, excision, repair, manipulation and other procedures. In urinary system, under the section kidney, incision, they have mentioned nephrolithotomy is the surgical removal of stones from the kidney and pylolithotomy is the surgical removal of stones from the renal pelvis. This is important, highlight it in your CPT manual. The code 50060 is for nephrolithotomy, removal of calculus. Next is nephrolithotomy with calculus removal. Under this, the important code is 50080, which is for percutaneous nephrolithotomy or pylolithotomy, lithotripsy, stone extraction, antegrade ureteroscopy, antegrade stent placement and nephrostomy tube placement when performed, including imaging guidelines. Next important guideline is endoscopy, that is cystoscopy, urethroscopy, cystourethroscopy. The important code is 52000, that is cystourethroscopy, separate procedure. In this, the cystoscope reaches the urethra. Remember that. And always read the parenthetical note. Do not report 52000 in conjunction with all these codes. Next important codes are 52005 and 52007. This is for cystourethroscopy with ureteral catheterization with or without irrigation, instillation or uretropylography exclusive of radiologic service. And 52007 is for cystourethroscopy with brush biopsy of ureter or renal pelvis. So in cystourethroscopy, the cystoscope reaches the ureter. And another important guideline in urinary system is that some code descriptors specifically state unilateral or bilateral. But if procedures do not mention bilateral and the procedure is performed on both right and left sides, then we have to append modifier 50 to indicate it is a bilateral procedures. In urinary system, bilateral services may be billed for procedures on kidneys and ureters only. The bladder and urethra are singular structures. And another important guideline is surgical endoscopy. For example, laparoscopy, cystoscopy always includes diagnostic endoscopy performed at the same session. Diagnostic endoscopy should not be reported with surgical endoscopy. Let's move on to the guidelines related to male genital system. The code range is 54000 to 55899. In this section, the codes are arranged based on the anatomic location itself. First codes are for penis, that is incision, destruction, excision, introduction, repair, manipulation. Then the codes for testis, excision, exploration, repair, laparoscopy. Next is epididymis, incision, excision, exploration, repair, tunica vaginalis, incision, excision, repair, scrotum, vas deferens, spermatic cord, seminal vesicles, prostate, reproductive system procedures, intersex surgery. So all these codes are present in male genital system. Now let us study the anatomy of the male genital system. This diagram is present in your CPT manual, page number 428. So the external genitalia includes testis, epididymis, scrotum and penis. Internal organs for the male genital system includes prostate gland, seminal vesicle, then there is different duct, urinary bladder and cavity, then there is spermatic cord and different duct. So the male reproductive system includes parts of the male body that are involved in fertility and reproduction. Let us start with the first guideline for male genital system, that is circumcision. 54150 is the code for circumcision using clamp. Okay? Or other device with regional dorsal penile or ring block. And remember that do not report modifier 63 in conjunction with 54150. And this is an important parenthetical note, that is report 54150 with modifier 52 when performed without dorsal penile or ring block. See, this code 54150 is for circumcision using clamp with regional dorsal penile or ring block. This is for with dorsal penile or ring block, right? If they have mentioned without dorsal penile or ring block, then you have to use 54150 with modifier 52. And this code is for using clamp. Next code is 54160, which is for circumcision surgical excision other than clamp. So this code you will use for without clamp. Then this is for 28 days of age or less, and we have the code 54161, that is for older than 28 days of age. Next we have the code 54162, which is for lysis or excision of penile post circumcision adhesions. Then 54163 for repair incomplete circumcision. This is for repairing a circumcision which has been incomplete. Okay. Next is 54164, that is for frenulotomy of penis. Always pay attention to the parenthetical note. Do not report 54164 with circumcision codes 54150 to 54161, 54162 and 54163. Next important codes are prostate incision, that is biopsy of prostate, needle or punch, single or multiple, any approach. 55705 is for incisional, 55706 is for biopsy prostate, needle, transperineal, stereotactic template guided saturation sampling including imaging guidance. Next important guideline is laparoscopy, that is surgical laparoscopy always includes diagnostic laparoscopy. Then we have the codes for other procedures, that is electroejaculation, cryosurgical ablation of prostate, includes ultrasonic guidance and monitoring. Next we have reproductive system procedures, placement of needles or catheters into pelvic organs for subsequent interstitial radioelement application. Then there is codes for intersex surgery. 55970 is for intersex surgery male to female and 55980 is for intersex surgery female to male. So that's it for today. In this video, we studied guidelines related to urinary system and male genital system. In the next video, we'll study guidelines related to female genital system and also we'll check the important codes. So stay tuned.